Hi guys, welcome to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Darshini. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade cream cheese recipe from scratch. Guys, it's so fresh and creamy. You should give it a try. Let's get started to see how to make homemade cream cheese in the Instant Pot. Check the ingredients, take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later for the written recipe. To the inner pot, add half a gallon of whole milk. This is approximately 1.5 liter of milk. Make sure to use whole milk. Add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. You can also use white vinegar instead. Close the lid and seal the vent. Cook the milk for 1 minute under high pressure. Cancel the keep warm button. Once the Instant Pot is done cooking, let the pressure release naturally for 10 minutes and release the remaining pressure gradually. Once the pin goes down, open the lid carefully. The milk is curdled perfectly. Let's strain the cheese. I'm using this nut milk bag. It works great. I give the link for this in the description box below. If you want one, please do check it. Pour the curdled milk through the nut milk bag. Squeeze out the liquid. You can use this water for plants or add some while making smoothies. For cream cheese, we need to blend this while it's still warm. To the blender jar, add the cheese. Add 2 tablespoons of butter and a pinch of salt or add it as per your taste. Blend it until you get a nice and silky cream cheese. It takes approximately 2 to 5 minutes depending on your blender. Look at that, creamy cream cheese is ready to enjoy. Enjoy it fresh or refrigerated and enjoy it within 7 days. Thanks for watching my video. If you are looking for more Instant Pot, air fryer and Instant Pot blender recipes, please subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.